Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the news from Litentry team. I just heard from their Telegram. Looks like the Litentry crowdloan rewards will be distributed soon. So from what I heard, it's they already test that on Rococo testnet, and the next step will be just distribute the token, and most likely sometime today should be there, and that's what they announced long time ago as well. And so all of you should be able to see that. Now I'm going to show you how you can see the token. Looks like we don't need to claim, so you can go to your JS wallet, and right now if you switch to Litentry, for example, I do that, and then you can wait for the account. You can check now it's 0 because it's not distributed to the token to my account yet. You can go to the Rococo, the testnet. You can check the Litentry already. So it has been here. You can see my NEAT. So I have quite a lot of NEAT now, and this is probably the highest rewards I have right now. Because I contributed early enough. If you watch my video, you probably just like me get 12 NEAT per dot. And so this is a reward I'm going to get. Hopefully I will see them soon. And another thing is once you get the Litentry the NEAT token, you probably need to wait before you can send it to the exchange, because the exchange, they have the ERC20 token. Maybe there would be a bridge or something in the future, so just need to wait, be careful before you send to the exchange. So that's all about today's updates. And so congratulations to those of you who contribute to Litentry project. So the price of Litentry is not that bad as well, so you can check that. Okay, and I hope all of you enjoy the Decoded conference. Bye.